Class 12th English Chapter The Rat Trap.
हाय गाइस, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। सो आज हम पढ़ने वाले क्लास 12th का चैप्टर इंग्लिश का जो है द रैट ट्रैप। सो लेट्स फर्स्ट बिगिन विद द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। सो फर्स्ट इज पेडलर। सो ये एक इंसान है जो सिर्फ रैट ट्रैप सेल करता है और बाकी टाइम छोटी मोटी चोरियां कर लेता है ताकि अपनी टमी फिल कर सके। नेक्स्ट इज क्रॉफ्टर। सो एक ओल्ड मैन रहता है जो सिर्फ अभी फिलहाल के लिए जो काउ मिल्क रहता है सेल करता रहता है। और रैमजोस आयरन मिल जो है स्वीडन में सेट किया जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा आयरन ओर कंटेंट होता है। फिर आयरन मास्टर जो ओनर रहता है रैमजोस आयरन मिल का। एडला उसकी डॉटर रहती है आयरन मास्टर की। एंड एडला इज वेरी वेरी काइंड पर्सन। एंड देन कैप्टन वॉन स्टेबल इज एन ओल्ड एक्विटेंसी वी कैन से, और वो बोल सकते पुराने दोस्त थे आयरन मास्टर के जब वो आर्मी में थे। तो ऐसे कहानी स्टार्ट होता है कि पेडलर, सो पेडलर व्हाट हैपेंड वाज इट वाज लेट नाइट, सो ही नीड सम शेल्टर, उसे रहना चाहिए कहीं। तो इट वाज गेटिंग वेरी कोल्ड, सो द क्रॉफ्टर, सो ही इज नॉक्ड ऑन द हाउस ऑफ द क्रॉफ्टर and now he is getting a shelter from them, so he is very happy. So the crofter, after a very long time, he was very happy to have a guest as he was living alone for a very long time. So he gave him a cigar pipe to smoke and even then played card for long nights and even gave him food to eat. And he told him that in the morning he can leave, and by the excitement, and even he told about the money which he has earned from his cow's milk by selling it. So he told that it has hanged on the side, I can say the side wall of the window where it is hanging with a coat. Inside the coat there is a 30 kronens, we can say that is kronens is money. So next what happens, the next day both of the crofter and the peddler, as the crofter was very hurry to leave as we can say that milk person, as he goes very early in the morning to give the milk on the door delivery. So he was leaving and peddler thought it would be nice to be sleeping as the owner of this house has already got up. So now the peddler and the crofter both left the house at the same time. After some time the peddler's mind came back and he thought, what if I steal the 30 kronens? It would be helpful for me. So he came back and broke the window and took carefully the 30 kronens from the, you can say, the coat, and he came to the forest. So he didn't gone to the straight way, we can say. He went inside the forest so that he couldn't be caught by anyone. So after some time he thinks that, oh, the whole world is a trap, just they will give some bats, that is like some we can say they give some lalach, we can say, so that they get trapped in the same word. And by this he is saying to try that the forest in which he is going again and again, he is coming again and again to the same spot. So after very long time now he has given up and now he is sitting. He told, no more I will climb or go anywhere, I will just take rest. But he suddenly came to know about the iron sound, like stinging sound. So he pushed himself and came till the Ramjo's iron. From there was a helper who was waiting for the plumbing, and even he didn't notice that someone has opened the gates and came in, because there was lots of noise there going on. You know, in the iron mill we can say there are lots of noise which are going on. So the helper thought he may be the village person who has came here to gain the heat, as it was very cold day. So then after a time, Iron Master, he is very is sure about his quality, so he takes a night round, we can say. At that time, while taking a night round, he came across the peddler. So he misunderstood the peddler as his old acquaintance, that is Captain Von Stable. So he invited the peddler to his house, but the peddler was sharp enough to understand that as he has stolen the money from the crofter, we can say. So now if he go to a big mansion of Iron Master, it would be like putting him into a lion's den. So what happens next? So he says, no, I can't come. Tries, he says, But after some time, the Edla, daughter of Ironmaster, comes there. And she thinks he's very messy, so she doesn't think that he's an old acquaintance. But by seeing his outfit, she thinks that he needs a help. So she invites her for the Christmas Eve, and she also respects her father's feeling. So she told, okay, come. But she didn't say that you are looking very shabby. But after that, they took the peddler into their house, and the peddler had only three works to do there: eat, sleep, and he was given a good shave and good clothes to him, and he was treated very nicely. By that time, the Edla and his father, Ironmaster, went to church, as it was a Christmas Eve, and they were very happy about it, as they were having guests too. So when they went to the church, they came to know about the crofters' money which has been stolen, and they were very afraid whether the peddler have stolen their money too or any belongings. तो चोरी तो नहीं हो गया कहीं. So they were very scared. But Edla had a little bit hope that no, peddler won't do like that. But still they rushed to their home and saw it. So everything was fine. Nothing was stolen, we can say. उधर कुछ चोरी नहीं हुआ था. But in the end, we see that the peddler has kept a small rat trap and a small letter which noted that, so this is the 30 kronins of the crofter, so please hand it over to him. I don't want to be this, and I'm really sorry for whatever I did. So in this story, we came to know about the Edla's kindness changed the heart of a peddler. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Guys, please do like and subscribe Gayatri channel. We will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.